Hey, what's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special little guest here that's visiting us. We have 120%, I think, yeah, 120, 100, 115, no, 120, something like that. I'll be forgetting what sizes I'll be doing this, but I got 100 and something percent mini arrow, and it's all suited up, straight suited up. Now, I changed the fins, the little winglets, I'm sorry, not the fins, the endlets, winglets, whatever you call it. And I mounted my run cam right here, very, very good as well. My VTX is right here, very hidden. I got a 2600 kV motor, Sam Gook, 6x3 inch prop, 30 inch, I said 30. And I have a 30 amp ESC as well in there. And I have my antenna sticking out right here. So that's pretty good. Looks pretty good. It came out to be 32 inches in wingspan. And that's pretty awesome. Now, I was going to put a bigger motor, but I wanted this to fly not fast, but not slow. Like just right in the middle. So that way we have enough power to get out of bad situations and anything like that. But we're going to get right in the build. Let's cross our fingers and hope for something good. All right, family, so let's make sure our CG is good. Looks right on point. We got our timer for 5 minutes, and let's get it right in there, man. Let's get it right in there. I'm gonna leave my phone right here on the ground. All right, ready, set, 5 minutes. Whoa. Whoa. Straight out my hands, everyone. And it's so smooth. Now, the only thing I forgot to do was press record on the run cam, so we're gonna do that now. Wow. That was amazing. So we're gonna press record. All right, we're recording, and let's get right back in the air. Wow. Little bit of right trim I need. A lot. Trying to get my finger put on there. There you go. A little bit more to the right. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Some up trim. Some down trim to get that nose to come up a little bit. That's smooth butter, man. There you go. Straight as a whistle. Whoa. Now, I can't run 4S, but this is actually very good. I'm on low rates. Look at that. High rates. Let's see those roll rates real quick. We only got 5 minutes. Wow. This is very good. Let's see if we could get a nice low pass. Switch to low rates. Wow, this thing is nice. Now I'm gonna give a link to everything I got here exactly how it is. So that way, everybody could get that. Same, look at that. Wow. This is what I needed. This is what I needed. This is exactly what I needed. Wow. Now these birds are kind of like right on me. Wow. Let's get closer to the phone so we can hear it. I wonder if we could try some inverted. Wow. Maybe a little bit more. I'm running 65 on low rates and 85 on the high rates. And that's pretty good. Wow. Now our timer went off. We're gonna land and we're gonna check our battery. Wow, look at that. That's no hands on the sticks. Chop the throttle and see that slope. Look at that. Wow. We could catch it if we wanted to. Wow. That was very smooth. Drop a comment down below. What you think? Is this for you? For beginners? Or I think it's very much for a beginner. I'm gonna throw on my goggles and see how that actually flies and how smooth I can actually get it, all right? So let's switch our battery. All right, family, so we have our FPV goggles on and we're gonna go straight up in the sky. I'm gonna have the GoPro mounted right here, just in case we get some low passes, and that's basically it. So let's get in the air.
What kind of range you have on that?
Basically your eyesight.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't want to go as far as you can't physically get back on the battery.
Okay.
Yeah, because then you're definitely not going to have enough power. All right, family, so I'm trying to get it checked out. You gotta watch it. guys, I think I am ready to race or at least do some loop contests. I can get real low now, guys. I can get real low. I got nice control. We'll see how low we can get here. With the Genesis. Oh, there you go. Oh, gotta watch that fence. But with the Genesis, guys, I was able to get pretty low. But remember, that is a pusher prop that is on top. Really smooth, and I stopped exactly at 5 minutes. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. This thing is butter smooth, man. Butter smooth. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. But that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below. Would you try to fly this? I mean, I think this is for everybody, man. Very slow, especially if you do this same exact setup. Now you can't use the 2200 on here. You will have to shift it back a tad bit more. I actually have all my ESCs clustered right here, and my receivers right here, and my VTXs right here. So everything is spaced out real good, nice and balanced, and that's what we got. This is what we came up with. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. But that's it for this video, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and hitting that thumbs bell so that way you guys get notified every single time a new video drops. All right, guys, stay creative. See you in the next one.